Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 9th month 2009 to the 10th month 2012. This vehicle is fitted with a 4B12 2.4 litre MIVEC 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an all-wheel drive automatic CVT transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left front power door mirror, left front door, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left hand 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left hand tail light garnish. And the tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand front door appears to have no damage. Right hand power door mirror. 16-inch factory alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. We have the power window master switch. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy automatic transmission console, handbrake lever. Has a 6-stack MP3 CD player. Aircon controls. And the left hand sun visor in tidy condition. Right hand sun visor in tidy condition. We have an instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.